Right, one bloody sparks, and this is NKORE Media. In a savage camera, and tries out with we are here to give entertainment news. So, isn't Zakutanchira Ambuka Alien Skin? Alien Skin over the years, since the high zero music industry, every day in doubt. Alien Skin Terkaring at Akozirima Warrior. So, the past 3 days, the saga, it has been. But Alien Skin has been in the news for quite some days. Now battling n'abantu bashatu. One battling na promoter Abitex guno abategekere kivuru cye cyarugireho cya yakoze on the same day with Palazzo. Then still on the same issue na battling n'abantu. Yes, arugire yabasa kuba na rumba principal kangwa ko mukimanya principal no bagera ngutakusobya. Then still I know some issues with Nobat events. Nobat events na one promoter, one of the biggest promoters we have in Uganda right now. So saga jetanchireta. Saga nechigamba kuba Alien Skin abazize kuba na arugayo like 3 days ago. Alien Skin abanupu bakabi no like a youth convention. So Alien Skin akabari omu mata were expected kubanu babasa kube argejo invention. And it came out kugira nkuzache that date kuba muteyesi Alien Skin ya jangu he was not going to turn up. So cyareka abantu bagambe bigambo byingi, and later Alien Skin akana kola like it was a phone interview yagira ngo takwetinga Firebase ninga takwetinga Nubu takwetinga Bibu Wine kupushinga kintu cye. So ekiryo cha impacting a lot of reactions za kurugomu ba social media bloggers. Turebera all reactions nyingi kurugawa abamwe bari aside yeye and abandi bari aside ya Bob Wine English principal. So ghetto erinkebile split up araba kugira ngo Alien is right, Alien is wrong, kandi Alien Skin kumena mukumanya ninga shabata kumanya character yeye. Alien Skin is like abadzire ngo he is born unruly. Alien Skin dukwari yasyo una anombla interviews eneza kukora he doesn't give a damn. So Alien Skin kurgari Fred there's a blogger called Lumbye baze kwa narga jangu Alien Skin akora government. So we don't know how true that is, that Alien Skin ine mamba prota ine aguzile plot sishata ruziga tutukumanya how true is that konka. So right now just going to agati na banup, and then turebero some other people back claiming kugira ngo Alien Skin ngusimanyi next year anaza kuba no more because one they bagira ngo emtwarize yonka nibasobutamure ko industry kandi ojuke industry ngoko toyentureba the likes of Lona Dalimpas but ziringo anytime zakunda Alien Skin nabura. So chonacho tukumanya how true that will be. And then twaka twarebendishwa saga ya Alien Skin na Abitex. Abitex one ojuka Abitex is an events organizer and is a promoter, and when Alien Skin they have been working together for quite some time now, like since Kurgobu haba hosaga ya Palazzo batila Alien Skin na neshe cha biro chona. So they decided they organized the concert on the same date with Palazzos, and twashanga it was making news all over the internet. So ya tujena nkakakwa kadi yakasichika kankwacho fest. So in kwacho fest kwa yenda kujeta their concert. So on a live video kwa bagambo na one of the media bloggers Kabata everybody Kabata TV. So Alien Skin, it seems when Abitex they won't have it anymore. Abokuba Alien Skin abaze kwa narga ya gambira mwamuru kumanka Abitex ajati nyowe. First of all, generation eyindumu to your generation eyorumu. And another thing is that you know basa kutegeka basaida karori nyoto kumbasa because generation ejo iturumune basa kunekorema organizing Abitex nawe arasa kwa narga yajana kukutora kwereka mu kavideo akaza kura tajata Alien Skin atoina marara ata marara ngaza kuremesa ibintu byingi atojenzire wayetwara mu untouchable at alien skin ajirengu. In fact, they were getting started with their events stuff. By batanche kutejeka nkwacho fest ya setting the dates kandi Abitex na claiming kuba bayatire makasenteke kandi akakugira ngo kasenta kuna akenda. So iron skin esho tatiro reaction yona takutayere chiroba is ready to pay or is not ready to pay. So gwenu iron skin ebyo nabyo bichidi yawo kutubitu yawo iron skin habe ataka huilo one day, the next day nguyarwana nachi na Nobody event naona mtikiso hivi nkukuna nagambire kurujoro mkakiripa kuturebire akutura kwereka aho alien skin izire yashanga Nobody ashitami on like in front of a certain hotel or mwanya gumeko kusemererwamu baba sakubana ba having issues about and konka fight sort of kandi alien skin ko kumanyana atamburana gengi ye. So bija bamukwatirao bamutira yana claiming kuba he never sakubana bagira chi health wise na teka kuba no kwa siskire maybe zengu na kuzomkoti are tortured. So eyona bichidiao that is iron skin for you. And era kutwa studio today like 3 hours ago yabasakwana rujirangu ekivure cye cha nkwacho fest kizagumizamu kana za kukiteka arusabara ijuka iron skin abira ine issues n'abantu. So ebyo ngibyo going to making around our social media to gambler and abamwe bagira ngo tokwikizwa gitekaho abantu bagira ngo ariho naceje nisa kubanka ejona yajeje nisa kubanka nka reason yo kugira ngo getting back to people because of ekibe chatanga ku happening then so echo right now ntochiri media, that's what is trending era tukumanya ubera gwere. But all you have to do no koleka ngo wagumara nkore media wa subscribing watani ngo that notification bell just to twinugihindera twinogumiza munayo tukamanya ko rawe era kinde kinkwera kumanyitsa no kumanyitsa ngo wabo ri Ankole media, just be sure kugira ngo entertainment news everything no kuba kumanya faster and tubikwereza in details. So that is iron skin for you. And tuza kureba giturahera gubirizemu buri kimwe cyone kirabinci bonza kubantu yongera kukumanyisa misha.